So in this example I want to show you factor by grouping. It is basically good for students for grade 10 basically, but other students from grade 9, 10, 11 or 12 can use this video too. So I have mx plus my plus 2x plus 2y. So we need to group them first. How can I do that? We can see for the first two terms m is common, and for the last two terms 2 is common. So I can factor m first. It will be mx divided by m is x plus my divided by m is y. Then here I have 2x plus 2y. 2 is common between both of them, so 2x divided by 2 is x, 2y divided by 2 is y. Now I can factor it. I have x plus y, I can factor it, and then I have m plus 2. That's solved. Next one, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So I want to group it like that. So I have x squared plus 3x, what is common between these two? Only x. X squared divided by x is x. Plus 3x divided by x is plus 3. Here I have 2x plus 6. What is common here is 2. The GCF is 2 basically for 2x and positive 6. The GCF is 2. So 2x divided by 2 is x, plus 6 divided by 2 is plus 3. And then I can factor it. I have x plus 3, and this side I have x plus 2. That's solved too. Next one. I have ay squared plus 3ay plus 3y plus 12. So I can divide it into two parts. So here ay squared plus 3ay. What is the GCF? A times y, or ay is the GCF. So ay squared divided by ay is y. Plus 3ay divided by ay is plus 3. Here I have 4y plus 12. The GCF is 4 because 4y and 12, both of them can be divided by 4. 4y divided by 4 is y, and plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I have these two terms common here, so I can factor y plus 3, and the rest will be a y plus 4. Next one, I have 6x squared plus 9x, and I have negative 2x minus 3. So I can factor it by grouping. So 6x squared plus 9x, the GCF is 3x, because x is common here, and 6 and 9, the GCF is 3. 6x squared divided by 3x is 2x, plus 9x divided by 3 is plus 3. Here I have negative 2x minus 3. The only thing is common between these two is negative 1, or we can write negative 1, or we can just write negative. Negative 2x divided by negative is 2x. Negative 3 divided by negative 1 is plus 3. We can factor it now. So I have 2x plus 3. And here I have 3x minus 1. So that's proof 2. Next example, I have 16v squared minus 12v plus 9. So I group it into two different parts. So here I have 16v squared minus 12v. What is common? 4v is the GCF. v and v squared, the GCF is v. Always the lowest exponent will be the GCF for the variables. So if you have, for example, z cubed, z squared, and z, the GCF is z. Don't forget that. So here we have v squared and v, so we have v here. 16 and 12, the GCF is 4. So 16v squared divided by 4v is 4v. Negative 12v divided by 4v is negative 3. Here I have negative 12v plus 9. So what I can do, because I want to factor it later on, I will factor negative 3. So negative 12v divided by negative 3 is 4v. And positive 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So we can factor this to 4v minus 3 4v minus 3. Oh, that's the same thing, so I can write 4v minus 3 squared.